Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is a mid-size 3-row luxury SUV that has received a mid-cycle refresh for the new model year. This refresh brings updated looks, improved technology, and a more refined interior. Opens in a new window. CarandDriver.com 2025 Lincoln Aviator. Key features and specs. Engine: 3.0 liters twin turbocharged V6 horsepower, 400 horsepower torque, 400 pounds-to-feet transmission, 10-speed automatic fuel economy, 17 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway. Seating capacity, up to 7 passengers. Cargo capacity, 19.2 cubic feet, behind third row. Base MSRP, $58,495, excluding destination fee. Interior. The 2025 Aviator's interior has been significantly upgraded with a new 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a redesigned center console. The cabin is also more luxurious than ever before, with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and plenty of standard features. Opens in a new window. www.CarandDriver.com 2025 Lincoln Aviator Interior. Exterior. The 2025 Aviator's exterior has been subtly updated with a new grille, headlights, and taillights. The SUV also rides on new 22-inch wheels and is available in several new exterior colors. Opens in a new window. www.JimBurkerLincoln.com 2025 Lincoln Aviator Exterior. Pricing. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator starts at $58,495 for the base model. However, the price can quickly climb depending on the trim level and options chosen. The top-of-the-line black label trim can easily exceed $80,000. Where to find pricing information? Lincoln's official website. The best place to get accurate and up-to-date pricing information is directly from Lincoln's website. You can build and price your own Aviator on their website to see the exact cost of your desired configuration. Edmunds is a popular car buying website that provides detailed pricing information for all new cars, including the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. Cars.com is another great resource for pricing information. They provide detailed pricing breakdowns for different trim levels and options. Overall, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator is a luxurious and capable midsize SUV that offers a comfortable ride, plenty of features, and a stylish design. However, it is also a relatively expensive vehicle, so it is important to do your research and compare prices before making a purchase.